what we gonna cook today. It's not Cajun cornbread, but I like that, dude. You know what? Let's do some ribs. And I never do ribs without pineapple if I can get my hands on it. I'm gonna try a whole pineapple today instead of spears, but whatever pineapple you can get your hands on. If you're cooking pork, try it out. You know what? Anytime I'm cooking on the egg, more than 45 minutes, definitely an hour or more, I'm gonna utilize that heat to do some other things too. So I always like to throw on a couple of onions, skin on, just like this, just the way God made them. That'll take care, just like wrapping a potato in foil. And I love sweet potatoes. So I'm gonna throw on this big fat sweet potato, a couple onions, and I'm gonna put these ribs on with some John Henry's pecan sauce. Stick around, it's gonna be good. You can see we're up to 400 degrees, but we're gonna tune that down to about 250 once we get going here. All we have to do is adjust the damper. In fact, I can spread these coals around just a little bit. Thusly. I'm gonna try something new today. I'm gonna take this pineapple. I'm gonna wrap these ribs around it if they'll go. I don't worry about the silver skin on this cook today. All I'm gonna do is get some John Henry on here to get some bark. Kind of pat that down, get it down in there. I'll do this side too. Although it's not going to do much good, it's going to satisfy you on YouTube because you'd like to see it. But this is just bones, therefore you can let me know what you think about the great debate of the silver skin. I'm going to throw in a sweet potato, a couple of onions just like that. And let's see if we can, I don't know if this is going to fit. What if we wrapped these around a whole pineapple? What would that do? Or should I wrap it meat side in, bone side out? Let's do that. Just stick a couple of skewers through there. Get in between the bones. Oh yeah, right through the other side. I got a leftover piece of pineapple here, so I wonder how that'll be with some rub on it. And let's get some down in there too, just for fun. Now, this is the first time we've tried it this way, so it should be interesting. We'll check back here in an hour or two to see how they're coming along. Stick around. Can you smell that? Oh yeah, that is green egg smell-o-vision, baby. Now you can see we've been holding about 250 for 2.5 hours. And we're about to take our first peek on the inside here. Let's see what kind of concoction we made it. Oh, yeah, there's some smoke. Oh, I like to look at these onions, man. I can tell you right now, from the sound of that, yeah, it's definitely done. And this potato, oh yeah, there's that piece of, that little slice I threw on top. What about these ribs? I know for a fact that they're done. What can I do with this bone right here? Yep, I think that's going to do very nicely. Let's just see. I know for a fact they're done, but are they tender? Thinking about wrapping them with some butter and honey, but I don't know. I'm gonna have to take a bite and see. What do you think? Can you tell? Let's see how chewy it might be. Let's see if it's tough. Nope, they're done. I like it. I gotta try some pineapple, but that's the perfect bite. You don't have to pull it, but it's not just falling off the bone. If you like them like that way, you can absolutely cook them longer, or even put them in a crock pot. Now with a bite of porcupine pineapple. Go in the comments and tell me if you ever tried your pork with pineapple. And if not, why not? What, you are missing out. Hit that like and subscribe button and tell me what you want to see next.